Think foldable phones have already peaked? Hold on, because Huawei just dropped something that might rewrite the entire foldable game. This is the Huawei Mate X7, and trust me, what's inside this phone will surprise even the biggest tech nerds. Welcome to ELMAX. Let's dive straight in. Huawei is calling this a complete redesign, and while ground-up redesign might be marketing talk, what is true is that the Mate X7 feels incredibly refined. Folded, it's 9.5 meter thin and weighs only 235 grams, easily one of the thinnest and lightest foldables right now. In the hand, it feels almost like a regular slab phone. On the outside, you get a 6.5-inch OLED display with a comfortable 21.9 aspect ratio, meaning the shape feels familiar, not awkward like some tall and narrow foldables. Open it up and you're greeted with a gorgeous 8-inch OLED panel. The crease? It's still there if light hits it perfectly. But honestly, indoors or straight on, it's one of the least visible creases on any foldable. Now here's where Huawei truly improved. The hinge. This hinge is noticeably sturdier, more confidence-inspiring, and holds positions better than older Chinese foldables. The tension feels more premium, more controlled, and closer to Samsung's legendary hinge stability. So yes, maybe the hinge is the part that's truly redesigned. The Mate X7 uses a 50mm main camera with a huge 1.28-inch sensor, the largest sensor ever used in a foldable phone. And to take things further, Huawei included a variable aperture system from f1.5 to f4 with multiple stops in between. This means better low-light shots, natural depth in portraits. More control for pro shooters. Thanks to Huawei's X-Mage color engine and a chroma sensor, the colors stay accurate, vibrant, and natural. The chipset situation isn't Huawei's fault. Outside forces limit what they can use, but despite that, performance is smooth. Instagram, email, gaming, multitasking, no lag, no stutters. This global version runs EMUI, based on open-source Android. Not everyone loves EMUI. There's no app drawer and some icons feel outdated compared to Origin OS or Color OS. But overall, the system is stable, responsive, and fully usable. The Huawei Mate X7 continues Huawei's tradition of building some of the most premium, hardware-polished foldables in the world. It's thin, light, beautifully built, has a robust hinge, and packs the best camera system ever seen on a foldable phone. If you're into foldables, this one deserves your attention. You just explored the Huawei Mate X7 with ELMAX. If you love clean, powerful tech reviews, stay tuned, because the next deep dive is already on the way.